Hello. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to use my document Sanitizer. Okay, I've got the program open here, and then I'll open up the terminal, and I'll run it. Python document sanitizer.py. And then here we have the opening screen. So this will remove sensitive information by finding and replacing with placeholders. So that, well, let's say that you want to upload it to an AI, LLM, you can be sure that any sensitive information will remain on your PC and will not be on the cloud. So we'll go and go with the, just hit return to open the sample file. And here we are. The sample file is it's a book to film option purchase agreement. It's a very long one, and it's got the names of the licensor, licensee, the title of the book, and all these kind of things. So what we're going to do is we're going to specify by answering the questions here the find and replace pairs. So you could actually paste it from here, but I've actually got it open in a different window. So we got, here we go. So we got literally the option agreement. So I'll start, and I'll not go through the whole document, but I'll try to find and replace the main things. So I've got the name of the person. So this is the author of the book here. And then we've got her address in the UK. So we'll cut and copy and paste it here. And we'll do author's address. Okay. And then we've got the licensor, Brilliance Filmworks LLC. And it's not a real company, it's just a make-believe company. But we got the address here in Los Angeles. And we'll paste it in here. And we'll just, oh dear. I will have to do it again. Well, or rather, we'll replace the address with studio address, and then we'll do the company name again because I got it wrong the first time. So we've got it here, and then we'll call that studio name. Okay, and then we have this book title here, make-believe book title, but copy and paste here, and we'll call it book title. And you see that I'm using these angle brackets for all of these placeholders, and that's because when I got the anonymized document, I want to get Claude AI or ChatGPT or these kind of things to translate it into Japanese. I often do that, and then I tell it that anything in angle brackets like this to leave it as is, so that later on I can actually use find and replace to get all the proper information back into the translated document. So that's what this is for. Option fee num. Okay. And we just go here and let's get rid of these monetary amounts. We'll go like this. So this is the floor amount, and then we got a numerical expression of that, which we'll also replace with floor num. And then we got $100,000. Anyway, so this is $100,000 here. And with that, the ceiling amount, and then the non-numerical representation, and we'll leave it here. I think we've more or less covered everything. So ceiling num. Okay, then Q to finish. There we go. So what's happened here is that all of the sensitive information like book titles also, or the monetary things have been replaced, and it's been written out as reducted result MD, MD for markdown file, and I've got it here. Okay, so this was the timeline is 1459 and 1459. This was written out, so we'll open that. There we go. Reducted result MD. So you see that all of the sensitive information has been replaced by these placeholders. And if you look here, it also tells you that since sanitization word pairs have been saved to disk as word pairs JSON. And so this is here, which was saved a couple of minutes ago. So we got word pairs like that. So if you save that, once you've translated the original document, you can actually copy paste, or find and replace, or indeed write another program to get it back into the original unredacted state. So that's my program. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you liked it.